Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the YouSUI global token. Now this token is being listed on a central exchange starting tomorrow, I believe. Ticker symbol is XUI. It's getting listed on a very big central exchange July 24th, yes, which is tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the YouSUI global token. So YOUSUI is the name of the token, and XUI is the ticker symbol. This token is being listed July 24th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search XUI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you want to find all the information about this token, just head over to YouSUI.io. Over there you can also find a full white paper. So it says YouSUI that's kind of a tongue twister. YouSUI team has accumulated various experiences by launching various M2E, T2E, SocialFi, GameFi, decentralized exchanges, and NFT marketplaces as incubators and developers. There were tens of thousands of people in the communities of various projects, and most users of these projects were not able to participate in private sales or IDO launchpads. Even early adopters could not easily participate in other launchpad platforms and demanded new launchpad platforms be suitable for the Korean, Japanese, and Vietnamese markets. We especially felt the need for customized launchpads in these markets and wanted to have high market share in the relatively new Layer 1 SUI network. So we are going to provide users with opportunities to invest in high-quality projects such as INOs, IDOs, IGO launchpads for the convenience of users. We are focusing on projects that we are incubating or developed in the future on the SUI network. So the goal, YouSUI plans to induce users to use all functions within one platform by adding launchpad, decentralized exchanges, bridges, and NFT marketplaces so that SUI network can be widely used in Korea, Japan, and Vietnam, and become similar to other ones that are familiar with users. In addition, it will be able to be a platform that educates users to deep dive into the SUI blockchain so that YouSUI and the SUI network can become the strongest platform and blockchain in Japan, Korea, and Vietnam markets at the same time. Through the localization strategy, we will support developmental support and incubation programs so that more developers and project builders can use YouSUI and SUI networks. We will support the incubation program and migration program so that other Layer 1 projects can migrate to the SUI network and succeed. So some of the features of YouSUI. YouSUI is a transparent and rational launchpad with smart contracts. YouSUI is not limited to one area and welcomes all projects which want to migrate to the SUI network. YouSUI has operated incubation programs and development assistance. YouSUI works with projects with a high probability of success with enhanced due diligence and regulation. And YouSUI supports cross-chain swap and has non-EVM bridge to get more liquidity on the SUI network. So our vision is to remove all barriers, build decentralized technologies for financial services, and make them accessible to all global users. Also, everyone in the YouSUI community will join us to make us stronger when we work together. The YouSUI team creates an environment where tokens and NFTs that users choose directly through governance can be traded on YouSUI Launchpad, DEX, and NFT Marketplace. Our mission is to activate the SUI blockchain and help dApps and Web3 projects on other blockchains migrate to the SUI blockchain and allow more transactions to occur through interactions between games, guilds, and communities. Our goal is to simultaneously operate a cross-swap multi-chain bridge and community-based launchpad platform on YouSUI. The core values here is going to be access for every blockchain, access for every automated market maker, cross-chain swap and bridge, global SUI blockchain community builder, community-governed launchpad system, integration with the most liquid sources across a wide range of blockchains, and security and transparency. So the supported blockchains include Ethereum, the SUI blockchain, of course, Binance, Polygon, Solana, AVAX, Clayton Phantom, Harmony, Optimism, Arbitrum, and Tron. So most of those are available. Some are coming soon, like Clayton Phantom, Harmony, and Tron. Supported wallets are OKX Wallet, the SUI Wallet, a SUIET, and BitKeep. So within the YouSUI platform, they're going to have the Launchpad platform. The YouSUI is a blockchain-based platform that helps independent game developers and blockchain projects help raise funds. And then we have the NFT Marketplace, where users can purchase, trade NFTs through INOs. Then we have the Beyond SUI network, which is a multi-chain launchpad platform that goes beyond the SUI blockchain. Then we have the liquidity supply, where you could supply LP to different DEXs, and then participation of ventures and DAOs. So besides that, you can stake this token. There is a staking section on here. There's also a section about the social platform, the swap, the bridge, the NFT marketplace, governance, like the DAO. We have a tokenomics section on here as well. So there's a total supply of 100 million XUI tokens. This is the utility token that can be used in the Launchpad, the DEX, cross-chain swap, bridge, and NFT marketplace. 6% of this token goes to IDO, 10% governance, 10% CGF, 2% ecosystem fund, 5% liquidity fund, 6% marketing and development, 12% mining pool, 5% private, 10% team, 5% advisors, 6% seed, 3% insurance reserve, and 20% of the tokens go to the ambassador and yield farming incentives. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. If you want to learn more about this token, head over to YouSUI.io. It goes over specifics of exactly what the token is used for, like when it comes to governance and staking and paying and donating and all that type of stuff. You can review that at YouSUI.io, and you can find this token newly listed on MEXC Global July 24th, 10 o'clock UTC time. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.